Hello my friend, welcome to the Hub with Sergio, episode number 284. Today, let me tell you why you should be using Instagram Reels to promote your art and also to show the process behind your work. Well, hello my friend, super happy to be here. I'm in my backyard here, just came from a walk with my little dog Annie. And today, my friend, I want to talk about Instagram Reels. Are you using Instagram Reels? And are you using it to promote your art, to show behind the scenes of your studio, to show your process, to show the surface textures of your work? I think Instagram Reels is a really great way to do so. But first of all, if you do not know what Instagram Reels is, it's one of the newest features, or actually the newest features, at least at the time of this video, from Instagram that allows you to create mini 15-second videos with little vignettes of video footage. So you can record various parts and then put it together into a 15-second little video that then you can put music into, you can put some filters, and then you put it into your Instagram page, which pretty much it can go into your Instagram stories and also can go into your Instagram wall. And when the first time you do an Instagram Reels, you will see that now you will have a new tab in your profile for all your Reels. Now, the reason I think you should be using Reels right now is because in any platform, any social media platform, when they have a new feature, they're going to push it really hard. In other words, they're going to really promote it because they want everybody to use it. If you remember when Facebook started Facebook Lives, they even had billboards on the highway, telling people to use Facebook Lives. Why? Because it was the newest feature. They wanted everyone to do it. So if you went back in the day into your Facebook Live early on, you would get hundreds and thousands of views because it was the newest thing. So when Facebook saw that you were using it, it would push your video to a lot of people. What's up, buddy? What's up? You probably saw a squirrel. Well, anyway, so it's the same thing that can happen, or that is happening, I should say, right now on Instagram, right? If you're using Instagram and you haven't used Reels yet, then you're missing out on a really big push that Instagram can give you for free, that you don't have to pay for. They are giving you that free push because you're using their newest feature. And I tested it myself. I've been using Reels for a few days and I really love it, really like it. The nice thing about Reels is, again, because it's the newest thing, any video, it gets pushed like really hard and you get tons of views on your Instagram video Reels. Now, if you have used TikTok before, well, you already know how to use Reels. Super simple. It's actually a simplified version, a copycat of TikTok that Instagram came up with, to use the same kind of idea that TikTok is using and growing with, exponentially. So if you have used TikTok, Reels is the easiest thing in the world, right? If you have never used TikTok, then Reels might be new to you. So the way it works is you just go to your Instagram stories as if you're going to create a new story on Instagram, and you swipe to the right, you will see the word Reel, and then you can start recording bits and pieces of video, and it's going to add each of those pieces into a 15-second little reel or video. Once you're done with that, you can review it, you can add music to it, you can swipe left or right to give it some filters, and then you can give it the description, name, and also put some hashtags, and you can pick your the thumbnail, the cover thumbnail for the video, which is the cover that will also show in your Instagram wall. So it's very easy to use, and the way I think you should be using it as an artist is use Reels. I suggest that you use Reels to document your process. It's a great way to document the work that you do in the studio, behind the scenes, how your art is made. This is one of the things that for the people who are not artists is fascinating. It's really fascinating how art is made, how art works, how art shows up in the world. They don't know. right? They might have an idea what they see in social media, but using Reels, is a great way, if you're already on Instagram, to get this free push and to bring people into your work. So I've been using Reels, for example, to show my work in the studio, how our work is made. I've been using also Reels to show, how our work is finished. And I've been using Reels also to show, for example, as well, as the work is finished, doing some close-ups. Because, when you put a work on social media, you only see the box, but you cannot really see the details. So using Reels to really get close into the artwork, pulling in, pulling out, zooming in, zooming out, also sometimes panning left or right, that also shows the finishing. If it's a glossy surface, then you can see some of that reflection, which is really nice. You don't have that on a typical photograph, so you can show back and forth on that. You can make it interesting by zooming in and out and then showing the whole image at once at the end, or vice versa, start with the full image and then show the various different parts of it. If you make work with texture, that's a great way to also get the people right into, give them a flyby tour of the surface of your painting, of your work. If you're a sculptor, Reels are a great way to do 360 views of your artwork, right? Do one this way, then up and down, and then go around 15 seconds and boom, it's done. So my friend, if you're not using Reels, I recommend that you try it out today and let Instagram give you a free push to your content. So have a great day. I will see you in the next episode of Breakfast with Sergio. Please share this with all your friends. Goodbye.